This is in our cabin out
What was the name of that market?
Black Hills. Nancy, where we at?
Where?
Kleinsasser House.
Kleinsasser House.
It's outside of Hill City.
Outside of Hill City. Danny and Denny.
No way.
Jim, Custer, Sandy. A whole bunch here.
Hey, stop it.
This is a view from outside on the second deck. That's Cody going out through the mountains. 3 Indians after. That's the cabin across the way. Tomorrow I'll take a picture of the cabin that we're staying in. There's the pictures, some more of these drunks. Pam with her broken leg. There's Mama Bear.
Market? Yeah. Yeah.
This is Nancy in the kitchen. Smile, Nancy.
I am.
Look at me.
I don't want to. Yeah, I think it sounds good.
That's Jim Custer in front of Pam.
He wants to get a Custer.
General Custer's grandson. He's still looking for the Indians. This is our house that we had in Black Hills on vacation. 3-story. Todd sitting. We're all waiting on Pam this morning so he can take off. There's Jim.
Get the key for the place. I do.
I have.
That door looks locked.
I've
This
got
is the
it.
back side, the lane coming up. There's Mother Hubbard. There's the cabin across the road. This is Lake Picola. Not too far from where we stayed. Always on our vacation. The Black Hills.
Okay, DJ and Cody. Can I go down here?
Anybody
else?
What do you think about coming out and getting one of these pontoons rented sometime while we're here?
That's Nancy walking down to the lake to get another picture. Beautiful lake.
Ox of some kind, isn't it?
It's a buffalo herd.
BJ did? It looks like it, doesn't it?
It ain't real clear.
Boy, I tell you what, they must be nice buffaloes because he's walking right out amongst them. I thought they were notorious for being
There's a man
nasty.
out there feeding them, but we can't see him too well.
He's right in front of that dozer, that tractor.
Is there a finger pointing that way on that
At
thing?
night, it's not Rushmore.
Do you see it?
They just turned the lights on.
Uh-huh. Look, you didn't see Teddy's glasses, can't you? I don't think it's funny.
Did you try?
I could. Yeah.
We have a light up above us that's following me up. Trying to bring it in clear. It's the best that's inside the building. This is our cabin. That's the Black Hills. No comment.
kid go to drug-free school. Their kids won't go to a drug-free school, I guarantee you that. It's amazing that we do it every
2 bedrooms on 3 different floors.
Breast diploma will say sobriety high. No secrets, no apologies.
Mount Rushmore from the lookout point, 3 miles from there. We're in Custer State Park now.
Who's over there, Sandy?
People? Where? Down there in the
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see them now. Huh. But they do pull off on a trail. I wonder if there's some walking or is that a hiking
Sprinkling,
trail?
making it kind of tough
Oh, yeah, it's a hiking
to
trail.
take these pictures.
We want the park coming here.
Got 3 donkeys on the highway here. On this car. Okay.
When we get up beside him, you can stick her out the window?
No.
You tell your director. There's anybody behind us.
Got one there, bud.
Ooh.
Hey, fellas.
I can't back up.
Hey, guys.
They're looking for food, ain't they?
Yes, they are. They want
Got pretty close to these donkeys right here.
Hi, boys. Eating the paint off your...
What's the matter, Denny?
He's like, a few words.
This is where we've had a burnout, we think. Buffalo out on Custer Park. What is this called? Custer State Park?
The wildlife loop.
It's wildlife loop of Custer State Park. Without the wildlife, that is. Scenery of the Custer State Park. Way over there, I think. There and the baby right there.
Is that a white food?
Just heard a buffalo. There's Bailey belts in there.
Not the buffalo.
Not the buffalo. I got a picture of a calf trying to suck. You don't see that every day. Especially if that's a bull. That's a bull. Boy, they grunt. Hear that?
Yeah.
Huh. We think that's got twins. That's a deer or something up on top of a plateau. Eating. Out there.
Yeah, I can't see it in here.
Is yours working now?
Bunch of burros laying along the highway. Where'd he go?
There's that twig.
They got white
There's a lonesome. This is crazy horse is behind him. That's going to be the horse's head. That's his nose right there. We're back on the air one more time. We stopped, bought a new battery. We're north of Custer, South Dakota. An old Indian burial ground. I kind of ad-libbed that a little. There we go. This is a mountain stream. on our road back to the cabin.
Sheridan Lake area.
Sheridan Lake area.
This here reminds me so much of Colorado.
There, window down. Well, that does make a difference since I adjusted that dumb lever down. I hate that. Just one thing.
Oh my. You know, it might give you new life here.
A little faster.
But I don't know how they do go around the Rockies. Turn it on.
This is where we turned off the highway to go back into our cabin, and then we drive, what, 8 miles back through the road.
It's not easy. 3 after we
Well,
leave.
Mr.
Like-
Turn there. Those things are here. There. Okay. Now, wait a minute. Let me get the picture of that booger right there. Pull up just a little more.
Cameraman.
There we go.
I'll cut here, let's get the back side, I'll cut the bill.
There we go. Huh? Okay. Homes is up in the mountains from where we stayed.
There's 56 on this mountain.
There's 56 homes like this on this mountain. Isn't that dumb? There. Okay. Way up on top of the mountains. I mean, right up top of that sun gun.
But not coming. You didn't go backside of Rushmore going down. Yeah. 11 or 12 bucks.
Well, BJ and Brad are sleeping. Where's BJ and Brad? Where was BJ and Brad?
Behind Rushmore. You're gonna stick it out like that. What was it? The back of avocado. Oh, here. Okay.
This is getting the supper ready there, Andy.
What did you do?
They're gonna fix spaghetti,
Is there any of those hot dogs
little
from
Frank
that night
Durger and beans in it.
But no, I don't. No, what the hell?
There, no, throw one of them back. This is the last supper. Up in South Dakota Black Hills, June 27th, 1995. Sandy got a broccoli sprout down here. Jimbo.
Hey, BJ, stop.
You're tearing the hell out of my pedendras.
Mom, come over here.
Brad, quit it.
Oh, wait a minute. Sandy's gagging. Sally just, oh, God.
Come back. Come on, we're toasting.
Are you done?
Back. We're toasting.
Got it?
The 95 vacation. Salute. Got it?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, how long was it on record?
Uh-oh, forever again. Now you gotta cry all over.
Jim asked Pam to marry him tonight. So I guess it'd be all right.
Yeah, come in.
Okay.
I think you guys ought to tell the kids.
Who's he gonna marry?
I asked her last night, and she accepted, and Buck and Sally thought it was okay too. So
Crazy Pam.
we're gonna do it.
No.
So that's the big secret.
So
No.
now
I already knew. Oh no. Now Jimber, Uncle. Yeah. Hey, ouch.
Put it
you
here,
getting
buddy.
shot.
You pig. Hi, Dad. Caesar Dad.
That was cute, wasn't it?
I got two dads. I got two dads.
Right.
That's my stepdad. When did you get married? When did you get married?
I don't know for sure
You
yet.
know?
It's a Christmas present.
In the White House. Big wedding. Hey, come here, Taylor, Vienna.
You'll be invited.
Can we be invited? Can we be invited?
Good answer.
That's gonna be pretty big.
Good answer.
Don't worry.
There you go.
All the kids, they're probably on that.
They are pumped now, aren't
Brad, your money's laid out
they?
here.
Really fun.
Is this for all the kids?
Is that Brad's or Reed? Get a bigger house.
I need to, like, move by Nick, take the greenhouse back, auction it off or something. Jim, where's the ring?
Take one step at a time. They're a hard audience. Put it back where you found them.
Yeah, there's the ring.
What's up for?
Yeah.
Somebody's from where? My mom.
Somebody's box.
Well,
Yeah, I
you're
don't know where to box.
Is it gonna work
Go
later?
ahead. Go put it in your box.
Thanks. Okay.
Like, back out, Brad.
Here's pinch.
You like this kind of bread?
He's packing to leave. Fix dinner for the road. Yeah.
Hi.
You got to get over there for this picture taking.
Our share. Split those up with Buck and Sally, Shane and Denny.
Sandy likes the margarita.
Whatever.
Was this your card?
No, that's not my card.
You know what cards were in there when we
We
got
got
here?
ours.
Can we take a quick sweep through the upstairs? I did.
Fuzzy pickles.
Fuzzy pickle.
You just show your
DJ.
face, baby.
That'd be a perfect picture. That's just the way he's been the whole vacation.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, everybody else up there.
Yeah, everybody else up there. I'm gonna do one first. So you all...
Really, you gotta get in.
Where's Mom?
In
the bathroom. Sally?
Sally, we're taking a picture. Get in here.
It's large. It's hard to not have somebody in the bathroom.
There goes a big group going up the hill. A bunch of them.
Yeah.
What they
Mom?
put in there.
Okay,
Oh,
stand
everyone's
up.
Are you about done? Where's Reed?
Right here.
Hurry up.
Reed, you want over here?
Get back.
She's on the pot. Just hang on a minute.
Grandma. That's okay. Not in the pouch. Go in the pouch.
Finish it off.
You can go.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, Jim.
What? Go in there?
No, yeah.
Okay.
Early. We're rolling. Now.
What are we holding still for? This
I
is a
don't
camera.
Hey, why are we holding still?
This is a movie camera.
Yeah, this is a movie.
Let me set my camera up there.
Bye.
All getting ready to leave.
Hey.
A vacation of 95.
Brad, BJ, quit it. Now get out in front of there. Come on, over here and stand. Come on, Reed.
Where's Reed?
I'm just lowering the child out of
Sally? Sandy? The girl. There we go.
Bye.
You want to take your caps off? You can.
No, it's my new cap. I'm taking it off.
It's cold out here, isn't it?
Say bye.
Bye.
It's a herd of tame buffaloes.
Yeah, we can find a lot to do here. I think so.
That's half buffalo, white one there.
That's a yak.
Yeah, I was out feeding them and petting them. This is just right south of Deadwood. The road to Spearfish, South Dakota now. Just come out of Deadwood. Some made some money, some lost some money. Sally hit a 50, so she's really bragging. Dropping down the hill again. This is a picnic area on the road. We're just about 1.5 miles from where Dancing the Wolves was filmed. We're down right in the middle of a bunch of mountains. I mean tall mountains. That's how we come in. We're right by a mountain stream. This is the waterfalls next to where they filmed Dancing the Wolves. Behind that is the cave down underneath. We're northwest of Deadwood, they say. It's back down in there is an opening where the cave is. I mean, we're in the mountains here. Of the cave on the waterfalls. That, and then that moves it in another direction. See that thing moving? Now, when you poke that middle button, it's going to say REC. That means it's recording.
Put this on your head and give it to Todd.
When you're looking through that.
Let him take pictures.
So you got it turned off now? I don't know.
You sure you want him to do that?
Big one too?
Where is it?
I got this one a little bit. Can you see the big one? Going it up a little more? The waterfalls are standing kind of over the cave now. There's about 7 waterfalls down to the bottom of that. Still on the drive out of, what you call it, canyon?
Spearfish Canyon. On the way up to Spearfish.
On the way up to Spearfish.
South.
Go.
This is Wyoming. Coming to Devil's Fire. This is coming down on the mountain.
That's wind erosion on the side, isn't it? No, it was scratched where it came up. Where the rocks fell off of it. I think they said that's just hard. So you have to be equipped through there.
The Devil's Tower. And there's people up about that high.
There's a bunch of them up there.
It's one weird rock.
Still cold, isn't it?
You gonna stay down there, bud?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, there are
This guy's climbing again. Guess I can't pick him up.
You can't see it? Go over here and try this rock. You've got nice skin. Yeah, there they are.
Tell it what it is.
These are climbers on Devil's Tower.
Well, we better turn it off for a while. We've had it on quite a while. Little flag shows we've got about whatever you want to do.
I'm kind of panning up so you can see how far away they are. There's a better view.
This is the view of the tower. There's people climbing up there.
Hey, Baldy! Right? Baldy, do those vultures. What's this, Brad? Yes.
Yeah, a little acres up there, man. Put your house up there at 1.5 acres.
Oh, that looks like that.
It's right here how it's born.
There's something going on. There's something going on here. On the floor. That's all I'm looking up at Devil's Tower. Prairie dogs. Old colony. No, not as close as I'd like to. Yeah. Pull up a little more. Cool. Out at what kind of deer? Okay, go on. It's a flock of sheep. The Devil's Elbow.
Devil's elbow.
I mean, Devil's Tower.
You're back in Iowa way now, aren't you?
I mean, during the livestock auction.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? He's been around cattle. He's got his ears back too, cause
That means he's gonna kick him.
just like, come on you.
You can't bite him.
First place that we stayed in Mitchell, South Dakota, September, anyway, I'd say about the 15th or so. Well, it's Betty and Jim on our trip with them in their RV. This is Sally and Betty just leaving the restroom. We're getting ready to take off somewhere west. This is Monday morning, September 16th. This is where we hooked up last night. This is the place we stayed on a Monday night on our trip with Betty and Jim. We're at Pierre, North Dakota. This guy's been working for about 2 hours now trying to get this damn trailer parked. He can't make her yet. He's trying to get back in there. Tried to back in probably 7 or 8 times now. This is a state park. This is the place to take the shower. Restrooms. Betty and Jim's Jeep we've been pulling behind the trailer. We don't know what this thing there is. This is Dam Oha at Pierre, North Dakota.
South Dakota.
South Dakota.
Ding-a-ling.
Don't even know where you are.
It's a power plant. We really don't know what the hell them are, but it's this is another view
Green needle grass.
of the dam. We're climbing up onto the top of it now. That Oha Dam.
What county was this? Hughes County?
This is the other side of the dam, the outlets.
Well, looks like that suck 'em under.
Oh, it must be something.
Look how high we are here, guys.
Yeah. See, we were down there a while ago when we seen that all. Hills out the other side of that.
But look now, Buck. Look to the left.
Grass.
This is the water area, which the sun was shining.
And as Betty, it tells the flowers here. Some of that is called soapweed.
Well, looky here, would you? Look at the terrain here.
We call it Badlands.
Badlands.
This is the
We're on the loop.
Badlands on the 240 loop. Standing in the rain, actually. This is on the trip yet with Betty and Jim.
You lied to me. It's raining.
Jim? We got a picture.
I think it's sure enough bad land, don't you?
Yeah, got it on now. This is more of the Badlands. Still raining like hell. We're raining too much to take pictures. Oh. Stuff. Standing up on top of Scott Ridge. Last picture I'll take of the Badlands.
This is east of the house, October 27th, 1996. Probably the best corn we've ever combined on this farm. Buck's running a Case International combine that he rented from Madsen, and the bin is full. He's coming in to unload this big semi-trailer they pulled in east of the house.